What's up everyone? This is an unboxing of the iPad Air 2020 64 gig version. So this is the front of the box. Then the side, iPad Air, it says there. And then 64 gig version. The other side. And just an Apple logo. Alright. So this is just documentation. Alright, Apple stickers. Yeah, I think that's it. And then you get a charger. And then like a USB-C cable. For that I bought like a 2-meter cable, so I won't need this. Here's the iPad Air itself. I got the blue version, sky blue, I think. So the shade of it is more like metallic blue. It's not really like sky blue or something. So I like it. And then with it though, I also bought the smart Folio case. So yeah, it just sticks on it magnetically. Then you can do this to stand it up. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the iPad Air 2020.